Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily make a two-screen video on CapCut. So first you need to add your clips to CapCut, then just click on it, go to edit and click on crop. And then just crop your video. Okay, crop your video like this. Click on the check icon. Then just put your video on the left. Okay, so after that you can just click on the video and copy it and make one of it as overlay. Okay, put it aligned like this and then put it side by side. So just drag the overlay to the right like this and trim the overlay to where you want the two screens to start. Okay, for example, like this. And click on the overlay, go to filter, click on mono and select the BW3, set it into 100. Click on the check icon, then go to click on the filter. Okay, so you are done and here is the final result. Okay guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and also click on the thanks below. Bye.